Hello, folks. Welcome to yet another sort of very light-hearted podcast. And you can see from our avatars here, we are trying out different things, you know, Gemini models, and it so far so good. Looks cool. Dev has grown a mustache. Piyush has apparently rainbow-colored hair. Rajat has transformed to something I don't know what it is,
Some alien.
some alien. Yeah, and I am myself, all great without any change. Okay. Okay. So the topic for today is gonna be, related to hiring, given that the placement season is on for students, and we are looking to, share our knowledge and some resources, hopefully, uh, so that it may help you in getting your uh, hiring game up. And with that, I want to first tell you that we have two links in the description of WhatsApp and Discord, where we have our thriving community, where we share like resources for specifically this. We have quizzes, we have, I think some project links. So feel free to check it out. Links will be in the description. And with that, let's start. And I see people are not in some serious mode, especially folks on the top row. Uh,
Well, that's top row for you.
oh yeah, okay, man.
The top
Aye, aye,
row for
Captain. Okay, so guys, okay,
Rajat.
let's
How
come.
many are these?
I don't think we're gonna record today.
I think this is fun. So, what was the
Hmm.
topic again? Uh,
Man,
how to
hiring. How?
how to up the interviewing game?
Yes, yes.
Dave is
How
muted,
basically,
man.
man, come on, guys,
Dave
edit
is
it out,
muted.
edit it.
No, I won't. Dave is muted.
भाई हो गया अरे
This is fun. Well, what was the topic again?
see
Interview game.
yeah
Okay,
like
sorry, I
so
was drunk.
yes it clearly looks like okay so so basically what we want to do is many students have reached out to us. They want to get some feedback or some guidance from us essentially in the department of how to sort of polish the resumes, how to up their hiring game. So if you guys can talk about that and maybe
I see. Okay,
not
provide some tips.
yeah not hide under the background. Yeah, open up their cameras,
Yeah.
yeah, switch on their cameras. Yeah, go ahead, guys.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
Take over.
So, well, obviously, do more open source. Why is Dave laughing? Why? I'm
Man,
making
I
a
don't
point here.
even think he's looking at the video. He's looking at some YouTube, comedy
Okay.
videos.
I'm looking at Rajat.
I this is
I'm still going to make my point, which is all right. In all seriousness, I know Rajat. Okay, why do I feel like counting his teeth or tooth, whatever? Anyways, so one of the things I would like really want to recommend on a serious note is you know demonstration of some work that you have done goes a long way. So ensure that you have GitHub, like some project. Why are you laughing? Why are you on the edge of laughing? Mohammed, why?
मैं कहा भाई what the hell मैं तो ध्यान से सुन
Oh,
ये
sorry.
देव भाई ये देव this
Okay,
guy.
okay. Never mind. So I
And we
was,
have to cut this out. Let's start again, man.
no,
We'll cut this out.
no. I don't want to do the editing. This one is going
मैं
the
कर
way it
लेगा
is
मैं
going.
कर
Anyways,
Man,
so
please
the
start another.
why
भाई
this is going great. I think. I don't think we'll do any better than that. But maybe we should call this a podcast and just wrap it up for the week, man.
Man, if you look at the Rajat, you can't stop laughing.
That's a desperate alien, man.
When I try to control my laugh, and then I look at Rajat again.
क्यों देख रहा है भाई क्यों यहाँ पे
भाई
देख
मैं लिटरली रो रहा हूँ, आंखों में आंसू आ रहे थे मेरे बीच में।
Wow.
इतना मैं हंसा हूँ यार।
Wow.
चश्मे की वजह से दिख नहीं रहा है बट
आंख से
I
आंसू आ रहे
literally
You're crying. Okay. Wow.
मैंने अपनी आंखें पोंछ दी अभी भाई बोल रही है हंस रहे हो रो रहे हो क्या
Wow.
भाई दूसरा करो भाई, अब नहीं हो ये
Okay.
seriously।
Cut.